Today we're taking a look at the Makima figure from Furyu's Be Cute Bunnies line in a striking red version. She is a character from the popular manga and anime series Chainsaw Man. As a high-ranking public safety devil hunter and the true embodiment of the control devil, this character is known for her calm, gentle demeanor that conceals a terrifyingly manipulative and dominant personality, making her one of the most formidable antagonists in the series. Today's highlights for this figure are the stunning visual impact of the vibrant red bunny costume, the design that masterfully fuses cute and sexy elements, and the pose and expression that perfectly capture her bewitching character. The bright, glossy red of the shorts and boots creates an immediate and powerful impression. This is perfectly balanced by the combination of cute bunny ears and a fluffy tail with the undeniable allure of real fabric fishnet stockings. Most importantly, her confident, almost smug expression and playful pose perfectly channel the dominant and enchanting personality that Makima is famous for. This channel brings you figure reviews and anime merchandise updates straight from Japan. If you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. The figure features a wonderfully confident and subtly smug expression, which is perfectly in character for Makima. Her face is sculpted with a gentle smile, but her eyes hold a look of complete control and self-assurance. A major highlight is the accurate recreation of her unique eyes, which are printed with a distinct, hypnotic pattern of concentric circles in shades of orange and red. The printing is sharp and clean, making her gaze a captivating focal point. Her face is framed by her signature red hair, which is styled with thick bangs and longer strands on the sides. The main volume of her hair is tied back into a long, thick braid that hangs down her back, a detail that is sculpted with care. The color is a rich, warm red that is very accurate to her appearance in the anime. Atop her head, she wears a bright red headband with two very long, posable bunny ears. The sculpt of the hair is clean and captures her look from the series perfectly, providing a familiar anchor for this non-canonical bunny outfit. She is captured in a playful yet dominant pose, with both hands raised to the sides of her head as if she is adjusting her bunny ears. Her body is turned to the side, with her hips pushed back and her head looking towards the viewer. creating a dynamic and alluring S-curve silhouette. Her outfit is a unique take on the classic bunny suit, presented in a bold red and black color scheme. The top is a sleeveless, form-fitting black bustier with a slight matte finish. It features sculpted vertical lines and small button details running down the front. A small, bright red bow tie is fixed at her collar, and she wears black cuffs with red studs on her wrists. The lower part of the outfit consists of a pair of high-waisted glossy red shorts that are sculpted to look like a tight, leather-like material. The high gloss of the red shorts provides a fantastic textural contrast to the matte black top. Attached to the back of the shorts is a small gray fluffy bunny tail, which adds a touch of cuteness to the otherwise provocative design. A signature feature of Furyu's Be Cute Bunnies line is the use of real fabric for the legwear, and this figure is a prime example. She is wearing genuine black fishnet stockings that stretch smoothly over her long legs. The use of real fabric adds an incredible layer of realism and premium quality that you don't typically find in prize figures. The fishnets are tucked into a pair of stunning bright red over-the-knee heeled boots. The boots are made of a glossy, vibrant red plastic that matches her shorts and bunny ears, creating a cohesive and visually striking look. They are sculpted with fine details, including seams and the shape of the high heels, which are elegantly designed. She stands on a simple circular black base that is decorated with a delicate golden line art pattern. This base is classy and understated, allowing the tall, vibrant figure to be the center of attention. This figure is approximately 30 centimeters tall. That's about 11.8 inches. For size comparison, here's a 350 milliliter can. That's about 12 ounces in the US. Overall, this Be Cute Bunnies figure of Makima is an absolute showstopper. It combines the massive scale and high-quality materials the line is known for with a design that perfectly captures the essence of the character. The figure's most impressive feature is its sheer size, standing at around 30 centimeters tall, giving it an incredible shelf presence. The use of real fabric for the fishnet stockings is another major highlight that elevates the figure's quality far beyond that of a typical prize figure. The vibrant red and black color scheme is visually stunning and suits the character's dangerous allure. While the bunny outfit is not canonical to the series, the confident, controlling expression in the dominant pose are 100% Makima. Furyu has done an excellent job of translating her unique and terrifying charm into this classic and beloved figure format. For fans of Makima and Chainsaw Man who are looking for a large, high-impact display piece, this figure is an absolute must-have. What part of this figure's commanding presence do you find most impressive? That's it for this video. If there's any part of the figure you liked, feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.